The Minderoo Reef is the largest fringing reef system in the world, and it harbors really high biodiversity.
Water temperatures are increasing, and we know that they're going to continue to increase in the years to come. So we're trying to essentially develop conservation techniques to future-proof the reef.
If I was to look back, I would say that it's impossible, but we've done it and we're very proud of it.
We are defining a new era, responding to our ocean's significant challenges and uniting to find solutions that will deliver strong ocean conservation outcomes that lead to better oceans policy. Against formidable odds, we built a bespoke lab in an isolated town, 1,200 kilometres north of Perth.
Exmouth is a kind of challenging town to work in. It's pretty remote, freight is expensive, difficult to get materials, contractors, and especially during 2020 when it was kind of at the peak of COVID. One of the most memorable moments during the build was when we finally got water coming out of the bore, so that was a really big achievement for us.
This is the Minderoo Exmouth Research Laboratory, on the doorstep of the World Heritage listed Minderoo Reef, attracting world-leading research to achieve one goal: to return the ocean to a flourishing state.
Over the last decade, there's been many attempts to try and put a research lab next to the World Heritage area because it is such a unique environment and so understudied.
That's why the lab was established, to be able to provide the field capacity, the high-tech experimental capacity, as well as the molecular capacity that the Minderoo Exmouth Research Lab has.
We took just 8 short months to turn the Exmouth Research Lab into a unique facility able to simulate ocean conditions to enable superior quality, high-impact marine research under controlled conditions. We worked with Australia's National Sea Simulator facility to bring this special capability to Exmouth. Our lab can source and filter seawater at a rate of 9 litres per second, up to 777,000 litres per day. That's equivalent to filling an Olympic swimming pool every 3 days. Water temperatures can be adjusted to achieve within 0.2 degrees centigrade accuracy for research. This is just one aspect of the lab that allows us to navigate through uncharted waters to uncover new information that will help us manage biodiversity loss. In its first year of operation, we have already achieved 15 research partnerships across 8 institutions, $1.7 million awarded in research grants, 42 research trips to the lab.
Everybody's super supportive. Merle staff, they're very experienced. They've been working for many years in this field, so it's really good for anyone who wants to do high-quality research.
The facilities have been amazing, and we have started to get some experiments ramped up, and so we're excited to see where they go.
Some of the work we've dived into includes discovering innovative ways to help corals and seagrass survive warming temperatures, working with traditional owners, local reef managers, university and research organisations and private industry on reef conservation efforts, monitoring ocean temperatures through a network of smart buoys, and remotely scanning reefs using underwater drones. Developing and testing cutting-edge eDNA technologies in our molecular lab to detect dangerous irukandji jellyfish in tourism hotspots. Studying sea snake diversity and distribution as a bioindicator of ocean health in the Exmouth Gulf. And sharing all this new knowledge with our community.
It's been great to see in such a short amount of time the impact we've been able to have with the Exmouth community itself as well as the research community.
Just as a unique ecosystem, we want to try to understand as much as we can so we can preserve that for future generations.
The Exmouth Research Lab has launched a new era of marine research that provides greater hope of unlocking solutions to protect and conserve this unique part of the world. This is the Minderoo Exmouth Research Laboratory, a proud contribution to Australia's marine research infrastructure that will ensure we do return our ocean to a flourishing state.